Can you believe she paid that much for a handbag? I can't believe it. I mean, I'd be afraid it would get stolen, or what if something spilt on it? I mean, ridiculous. Well, how much did she pay? Oh, look on the website.
I am able to keep pushing my limits and all the drive that I have. Well, I'm going the distance with you.
Hi guys, it's Karen. Welcome back. Today I have a handbag, reveal, and I have been so excited over this one because I've been eyeing it for a long time. It's been on the back burner for me, and I just thought, well, you might as well get it because you can't stop thinking about it. And so this is it. And it's not a new one, so I mean, it's been around a while, but it is the LV Sienna PM, and I just absolutely adore it. As you all know, I like crossbody bags, and I also like smaller bags, and this one is a little bit larger than my my disco bags by Gucci. It's larger, but it's not too large. I want to say, if you are somebody that is out for a bag that is smaller than a Speedy, a little bit bigger than a Speedy 25 and a little bit smaller than a Speedy 30, I want to say that this one would run in between. So it's just, it's very easy to carry. It's very comfortable. And, one of the requirements that for a handbag is it has to have a nice longer crossbody strap. And this one does. And I'm just going to read off the dimensions. Okay, so the length of this bag is 11.8 inches. The height of the bag is 8.3 inches. And the width is, let's see, I wrote it down, 4.7 inches. And I like it because the strap is adjustable and it's also detachable. So if you want to put on a different strap, maybe one of those cloth straps, them wider ones that are so in style now, you could sure do that. And the strap also is, at the longest, it's 21.5 inches, and at the shortest, it's 19 inches. And I just loved the detail of the bag. I love the pleat in the front and the back. I just think that adds so much character. And I love these handles. They're cowhide treated leather handles. And also I thought this patch in the front, I always thought that was so cute too and so detailed. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then it has those two little gold nail heads. It also has it on the back, but it don't have the gold nail heads or the Louis Vuitton. But the brass hardware all has Louis Vuitton on it, engraved on it. And then inside, of course, you have that beautiful, gorgeous red interior that you do get with the damier bean. And I just love it. I have to say that damier bean is probably my favorite in all the Louis Vuitton, canvases. So, I think I totally show you what fits inside, and then I'm just going to show you, ways that you can wear it. So, quickly, I'm just going to put in my pochette. Gosh, I can't even think of the name of this. But you guys know what it is, okay? And I've got like my lipstick, and I got receipts, and my mirror, and my little brush in here. And then I got my Kleenexes, and then I got my LV, this is a 6-ring key holder, and this actually fits really good. I forgot to tell you, it has 2 generous pockets on the side, on the front, and then it has a large pocket right in the back here that goes all almost all the way across the bag, so definitely be good for your cell phone and everything. But this is the 6-ring key holder, and that will go in the side pocket. And then I got my Madewell wallet, and then I got my spray gum, and I got, these are my sunglasses, my newest ones. They are Quay, and I'll just quickly show them to you. They kind of reminded me of the LB sunglasses with the gold studs around the rim. I hope you can see that. I'll put them on really quick. They're Quay. So if you can see them gold studs, I love it. Love them. And I'm going to, my dog, I think she wants to come in. Let me grab her and get her in real quick. I got them in there. And then I love these cinnamon Altoids, and I got those in there. And so there is more room in the bag, but basically it's just a wonderful bag. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like on me, and I'll be right back. So that's it for today. I just wanted to kind of show you, a little review on this bag. I know there's a ton of reviews on this bag, but I just enjoy doing it because I have to say that's how I started watching YouTube. I started out watching bag reviews, and it has helped me tremendously, making the right choice on a purchase. And so if I can just help somebody, let them know how much I love it, that's cool. So if any of you out there have this bag, I would love to hear how you like it. And until next time, guys, I love you so much, and just stay kind and be kind. Love you.